Hi, and welcome to the Guardian Way. Today's episode 138, kind of continues and closes out our series on our upcoming webinar on September 3rd. That's going to be from 10 to 11. We're encouraging all of our viewers to register for that. You can go to the Guardian Protection Force website and sign up to participate in that webinar. You'll get great information. And today, Garrett Thomas, a founder of Guardian Protection Force, who's co-producer for our series, of course, is going to kind of take us through some of the elements about impacts of AI on leadership and how that's all going to kind of play out, or how it's expected to play out. So, Garrett, why don't you take us forward and walk us through this?
Yeah, one of the biggest benefactors of the AI technologies coming out, I believe, is the management. Leadership will become more important than technology. A lot of times people think that these systems are replacing these people. It's not replacing them, but AI will provide recommendations, but people will continue making final decisions, right? It gives them a whole bunch of collected data in a usable form really quickly. Crisis leadership, ethics, and communication will distinguish successful security managers. Executive decision-making will remain a human responsibility. Continuous AI training will become mandatory. Security professionals will require ongoing education as AI capabilities rapidly evolve. We're seeing that in just a year or 2 years, how vast it is evolving. Organizations will invest heavily in AI governance and workplace development. California employers will emphasize responsible AI use through formal policies and procedures. Security will become a business intelligence function. AI will provide executives with real-time risk dashboards. Security departments will increasingly support operational planning, business continuity, and international enterprise risk management.
Well, this is going to be an exciting series. Like I said, I think the webinar is going to be great for our audience. And Garrett, thanks again for your participation in this particular specialized set of episodes regarding this upcoming webinar. So why don't you close us out today? And as we do, just take our audience again through the basic security solutions that Guardian does provide.
Yeah, or your first site assessment is a no-fee assessment. Workplace violence prevention development, AI camera solutions, guard and patrol services, security operations plans and assessments, contentious termination services, and executive protection. Until next time, stay safe, and we'll see you then.